Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where the day starts off with some fog along the northeastern and eastern escarpment. We're expecting quite a bit of cloud to push in over that part of South Africa, with the possibility of light rain over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. You'll see a large amount of thunderstorm activity across South Africa, especially into the afternoon and evening, and particularly over parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. We're also forecasting some evening rain over the southern part of the country, but things remain dry in the west. The SA Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms over a large portion of the Eastern Cape as well as the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal, with potentially large hail and damaging wind. We're expecting the highest possibility of rainfall over the interior part of the Eastern Cape on Friday, with a large area of scattered thunderstorms extending all the way through to the southern part of Gauteng, the northwest and Mpumalanga, with a few isolated thundershowers possibly extending through to the south coast, but we're expecting a 40% chance of evening rain over the southern part of South Africa. It'll be a warm afternoon for Gauteng, with highs heading into the upper 20s, 27 degrees for Bombela, with maximum temperatures still peaking in the low and middle 30s for the northwest. You'll see most of the thunderstorm activity with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s for the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State. Fresh easterly winds are forecast along the Eastern Cape coastline, with a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell at 12 seconds along the east coast, and a fresh northeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay at around 30 degrees. You'll see a warm to hot afternoon, with most highs heading into the low 30s over the southern part of South Africa. A moderate southeasterly wind is forecast between Jeffreys Bay and Mossel Bay, with fresh winds as we head towards Hermanus and to False Bay, with a predominantly southerly wind for Muizenberg, and along the south coast we'll see a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. 37 degrees for Uppington, 27 for Sutherland and Springbok, with a maximum of around 30 for De Aar and Colesberg. We're forecasting southwesterly winds for Langebaan and Lambert's Bay as well as Alexander Bay, with a strong southerly to southeasterly wind for Cape Town at 27, and along the west coast we'll see a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. Not much change in the weather as we head into Saturday, with lots of thunderstorm activity yet again, especially into Gauteng. Still dry in the west, with the possibility of rain and cooler weather over the southern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.